How to convert pic to PDF. If you have got a certain picture, let's say which you want to convert to PDF, it is very simple. You can do this on any devices. First of all, simply open your browser and type in picture to PDF. You'll find many tools that are actually available. So let me just connect to the internet and then just refresh it like this. So just type in picture to PDF. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see many websites over here. So you can just tap on any websites. In this case, you can see I'll be using this ilovepdf.com website, so I can go ahead and select that. Now I can simply select an image, so I can tap on select images right here. Then I can go to the photos section, I can choose an image and tap the add button. I want to actually just convert this into a PDF. So right here you can see this option called convert to PDF. Just tap on it and then that particular picture will be converted into a PDF file, and then you will be able to go ahead and then even download it. The processing might take a while and the images have been converted. Now I can tap on download PDF and then you will be able to see I can simply open it up with any of these other applications right here. That's all it takes for me to convert a picture to a PDF, as you can see. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.